Hi everybody, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft and I'm back with a tutorial today. What I want to show you, what I've been making, is this gorgeous card. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and it's a butterfly easel card. Really easy to make, and I just think it looks gorgeous. Really pleased with that. It does fold flat, obviously depending on what gems if you're using gems or embellishments. I have put a few on there so it won't go obviously completely flat, but you don't really have to put them on because it does kind of stay up itself, I found as well. So to make it, I've used one of Alina's beautiful new dies, which is this butterfly. It really is gorgeous. As soon as I saw it, just before she released it, I thought, oh wow, that is gorgeous, and it really is beautiful. And I've just cut different layers and just laid them up and I've put a cute little tassel on the bottom there. So I've made this one with like sort of silver. This one we're going to do in gold, pink and gold actually, which I think will look really pretty. So it's really easy to make. So to make the actual easel part, because I've cut all the layers out that I need to build the card up, so I've got a pink piece of card which is 11 3/4 by 6 1/8 by the looks of it, and I'm just going to score it in the middle, which will be 5 7/8. So score it in the middle on the long side at 5 7/8, which obviously is just the middle of the card. Now I know we're not going to need all of this, because all we're going to do is take the largest die and we're going to put it on, but we're just going to slightly overhang the tips of the butterfly wings, because we don't want it to cut all the way, you know, cut it out completely, because then we'll just end up with two pink butterflies, which is not what we want. So what I'm going to do is just tape it down just to make sure it doesn't move. Can you see I've just got them hanging over just very slightly, and I'm going to trim this because we don't need all this as well. It's a little bit too long. And then I'm going to take the die cutting machine and I'm just going to run it through. Just going to run it back again, because obviously it's double card. Can take that tape off, and there we go. We end up with a butterfly card. Okay, so then what you want to do is take it on a scoreboard or just a ruler if you want, and where we've got those kind of pieces here, I'm just going to aim to kind of score down there. Okay, just like that. Okay, because then what I want to do is fold it over and burnish it so that what we're going to do now is actually stick the butterfly, stick another butterfly on there. Do you see what I mean? So you want to put glue on here and I've already gone ahead and cut out the same butterfly, the same size but in gold, and I'm going to glue it just onto this bottom piece that I've scored, so that it's then going to be able to sit up and start our butterfly card. So I'm going to glue it down. Oh, and I keep saying in my videos I'm sick to death of the art glitter glue getting clogged up, and I wanted to see if I could find something that isn't clogging all the time, because it's really driving us potty. And I've bought the Cosmic Shimmer because I know a lot of people use it, and wow, it's amazing. I think I will be buying this all the time now. It doesn't clog at all, and it's brilliant glue. What can I say? It doesn't clog, it sticks, it holds really quickly, you don't get any warping. I can see why people really like it. So that's what you end up with, okay? And as I say, it does stay up, but I wanted mine a little bit further back, which is why I put the little silver roses on, but you don't have to. So then I've started to cut out the butterflies, and to get this, what you do is it's just the same butterfly again that we've been using, and then you put this one inside, and then it cuts out this layer, okay? So this is going to go on top of the glitter. I'm just going to lift them up a little bit so they're not completely flat, and then just glue this onto the middle. And it also seems to hold on top of glitter and stuff as well, because I used it for this one. She says I used it for this one and I didn't have any problems with it, but this is really thick glitter, so I don't know, it might not hold. I mean, really thick, it's like fabric. And I actually got it from Tesco. I was in Tesco and it was in the kids art section, like a big pack of different coloured glitter card, and when I got it home I thought, oh wow, it's actually like fabric, it's so thick, really thick, but it's lovely. Okay, so I don't know why I've cut this pink one out. I think I've got an extra one because I'm having it this way. So yeah, I don't need that other pink one. I don't know why I've cut that out for. And then the two smaller butterflies, I've just done the same. So I've cut it out with paper, and then I'm going to have glitter on top of that. So I'm just going to put some just down the middle, really, because I don't want them to be completely flat. And I suppose you can build this up in as many layers as you want, to be honest. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to bend these up a little bit. Just such a gorgeous, gorgeous die. It really is. And then that is going to sit on there. Okay, and then I've got the little tiny one, which I'm going to glue, just put glue around that piece there, because I don't want it like coming through the little cut pieces. And then I've just got the little tiny butterfly from the middle, and I'm going to glue that on there. I mean, you could leave that piece gold if you wanted to. But yeah, it doesn't clog at all. So love this glue. Right, so basically that's the card made, which is gorgeous. And then what I've done is, oh, where's my other? I had cut a piece out for the base, but I don't know what I've done with it, never mind, it's okay. And I've made these little roses just out of a die, and I just put some gold glitter glue on them. And I was just going to pop them on there, but now that I'm thinking, I probably should have cut them maybe as white or cream or something. But I'm still going to put them on because I've cut them anyway. So yeah, I was going to do that for this, but it's, you know, not to worry. And I haven't glued these together very well either. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stick them on, to be honest. I wonder if I could use this instead. I don't know if this would look nice. No, it looks silly. See if I can stick them on with some glue dots. I just haven't, I don't think I've glued them very well together. I was in a rush this afternoon. So I am going to have, just pop one on there. I'll probably hot glue them down later. They are really pretty though. I'll show you the dye that I used for these. It's gorgeous. Like I say, I just put some glitter glue on them, and that just acts as your little stopper kind of thing. And then I've got a little pink tassel, which I think looks really sweet just hanging from the bottom, so I'm going to put this on with a glue dot as well. And then I've got a little bow that I'm hoping is going to look nice glued on the top, just to hide the little ring, because this one's got a little ring on it and the silver tassel I used on the other one didn't. So I'm just going to stick that down on there, which looks really sweet. And then I've got this a little pink bow, which I don't know whether to leave it like that or add it. No, I'm not going to add it actually. I think it looks nice without, although you could add it somewhere different if you wanted to. Yeah, I might actually just pop it over there on the top of the wing. I just really wanted to come on and show you something you can do with this beautiful die, because it is absolutely stunning. So there we go, we've got two beautiful butterfly easel cards, really easy to make and pretty quick, and I just think they look so elegant, beautiful. So that's the made from Alina's new die. I will put the links in the description if you want to buy the die, and I'll be back again tomorrow with some more tutorials. So thanks for watching, take care and bye for now.